Well, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Model Kit Beginner for the first time out of the shed. Yes, I have a shed now where I have my office and my little hobby room. And once it's sorted a little bit better, right now it looks more like an earthquake disaster zone, then I'll make a little video and show it to you. But in the meantime, me go on in the normal vein and have a look at a couple of kits. We start today with the 37 Chevy Convertible. It's from Lindberg. It's 1/32 scale. Can have a quick look around the box here. There's instructions in different languages, and I thought we can open this together and have a look, because there isn't that much to see. But I've just got them for a very good price for somebody here in Cape Town who tries to get rid of them, and I was happy to take it off his hands. Love the car, and it's pretty a smaller scale than what I'm normally used to. And here we are. That's what's in the box. You see, it's not an awful lot, so we'll have a look at that piece by piece. As we always do, we have a quick look at the instructions, not the booklet, sheet. We have a quick look at it. Let's go up here so we can see more of it. Here we go. Right. There's an instruction sheet. It gives you also nice descriptions. 2 exploded pictures with a couple of instructions over there. And that's it. Paint notes right over there at the bottom. Tells you what needs to be silver, what needs to be black, white. White walls, you paint it yourself, you're on your own there. Seats and interior, and the tail lights need to be red. Well, looking at the instructions, you probably get an idea that this is not a brand new pop. No, it isn't. This one is an 80s repop of an original 1963 kit. Let me have a quick look for you. It's called the Tabletop series, and apparently that was the first one from the fine folks over at Pyro. And then we came all the way to the 37 Chevy Convertible, which I believe, let's go back here, is a 1986 Reeboks. So that's what it is. Lindberg obviously got hold of the forms, and they repopped it. So let's have a look what that looks like. So we have the bottom pan. I'll take it out of the box as I grab it. It's a hard red plastic. As you can see, it doesn't have an engine, and you see the drive shaft and the transmission right over there, probably oil pan, and you see it has a couple of injector pin marks. Very shiny, and it certainly needs a bit of tender loving care. I'll just grab the next loose piece here, which is the top body part. You can see that here. Also the same shiny red plastic. It has molded in window frame, molded in sun blockers over there, the tonneau at the back, ejector pin marks on this side, which you're not going to see once it is on top of the bod. And that's actually not too bad. Right. The other thing which is loose, and always loose in these packages, is the window, which certainly needs a polish. I can tell you that for nothing. And it has headlight covers. Look at that. I mean, there are younger 124 kids who do not have glass headlight covers, so that's quite nice. I like that. Then the tires are obviously not the vinyl tires, which we, spoiled brats are used to. So these are plastic. You need to glue them together and make sure that you don't get too much of a seam, so you can still see the thread which is on there. It's not bad, not bad. Then you have on this side, you have a handbrake and a gear shifter, a couple of horns, and headlight buckets right over there, and a cover for something over here. Right, and obviously the bumper, which you can see here. So no chrome-plated parts, that kind of stuff didn't exist. And we have a couple of loose things. There's another bumper right over here. I can actually go down a little bit again. All right. And we have a steering wheel. Tiny 132 steering wheel right over there. It needs a bit of cleanup, those parts, as you can see. Then we have this sprue. I guess these are the axles. And then we have the bench with the seat right over there. Molded in pedals right over there. Here you are. The sides with some detail. The dashboard, here we go. That's actually a very sweet dashboard. And you can probably detail that a little bit if you'd like to. We have a part here, which I would guess is part of the front axle maybe. And then a rear suspension, which is right over here. As you can see, all in all, you can see the molds have been, are not crispy, if you allow me to say so. There's another little letter in here. And there it gives you written instructions in French, in German, and in Spanish. Here we go. So that's very nice. So they're internationalizing the stuff here, which is very, very sweet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. These are the complete parts and instructions. You can see no decals or any of that stuff of the 37 Chevy Convertible. A short one today, as they say. It's a Windows shorties. Maybe I'll jump on that train. I don't think so. Anyway, the 37 Chevy Convertible, we had a look at it together. I think it's a neat little kit. And you know, if your mojo is hard and you need something to get finished rather quickly, I think that's the one to go for. Thanks very much for looking, and have a lovely day further. Cheers from Cape Town.